naman yan ginawa niya. Welcome host, nakita ko sa wall channel mo. Opo, opo. Si Edsnom sa Saudi yan, si Lema Seda Saudi. Ang dami akong mga kaanong sa Saudi. Saan ka pala be sa Saudi be? Dito lang, Labs, tambay. Sige, Labs. Mag-end naman ako, Labs. Mag-end na ako. Dito lang ako. Babay na kayo. Nag-ano na ako. Damam. Ay, Damam, malapit ka sa amin. Sabarin ako, be. By car lang, pwede tayong mag-ano lang. Sa car lang. Tayong dalawa yung magkalapit. Kasi ang Damam, malapit dito sa Bahrain. Kung ano-anong ginagawa mo man dyan, kulot. We go playroom early? Oo, tayong dalawa yung magkalapit. Okay, at later before 2 o'clock, we change. I will change you, po. No need to wear long. I'll put for you. You can wear short today.
Why?
It's not cold anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Spring?
Spring.
Or still spring, huh? So when it will be cold?
Wala na, tapos na.
No more cold?
Tapos na. Next year again. Say hi to Tita Lay. Mahal, say hi to Tita Lay.
Hi, Tita Lay.
Yeah, I'm not saying, look at the camera.
What's something important?
That is important?
Yes.
Hindi man yan important
This is
eh.
real Earth.
Sige bebe, work na kayo. Mag-e-end naman ako na kinakausap ko lang tong kulot. Hello kulot! Say hi Tita Le, Les Seram.
Hi.
Say, kumusta? Sit proper. Yasin, sit proper. Say, mahal ko kayo.
I don't want.
Oh, okay, wag na. Hindi na tayo lalabas.
The Earth is prepared.
Hindi na tayo lalabas. Ay,
What?
suplado siya. Oo, may kutopak yan, kulot eh. Yung buhok mo, noodles, Yasin? Yaso, yung buhok mo, noodles? Hindi. Uy, kulot. Yung buhok mo, noodles?
This one.
I'm asking you.
Oy.
Yung cat niya, oh. Ginigising siya ng cat niya.
This one.
Sige na po, babay na sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagtambay dyan. Lalabs Lay, asawa ni Lady Finger. Lalabs Lay, sandali lang, hindi naman ikaw kinakausap ko. Hello, Kulot. Si Tita Lay said, hello, Kulot. Lalabs Lay Seram, maraming salamat. Ayan sa mga nagtambay. Lalabs Angel. Mami, ingat kayo dyan. Lalabs mo, ingat. Lala Princess. Ayan, sa lahat ng silent viewers. Ate Ran pala. Thank you for watching at sa pagbisita ng aking live. Bye-bye. Mahal, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, will not go out.
Bye-bye.
Say, tell them thank you for watching. Please don't forget. Oh, yan. Do it first.
Bye-bye.
Look first. Say it nice.
Bye-bye. Thank you for
Without iPad. Okay.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
What else?
I don't
Please.
Please.
Yeah, mahal. Say, please don't forget.
Don't forget.
How are you, Kulot? Oh, Tita Lay said, how are you, Kulot?
Bye.
Okay, Kalas, he's not answering good. Today,
I'm good.
I'm good. Sige na, Labs. Bye-bye na, Labs. Good night, Labs. Matulog ka na, Labs. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you at night.